Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian and welcome to our daily market opening trade here with the DAX. Today, Thursday, the 17th of May. And we are looking here at my MetaTrader 4 account with one of our partners, I think Forex or thinkmarket as it's called. Currently looking at the DAX on the 1 minute time frame, and we opened the trading day with a slight gap. Very slight gap indeed. Currently trading below the 13,000 point mark, and so far, which you can see here in this grayish or brownish box, we have covered a distance of 26 points from the start of 8 a.m. Here in Germany till the current time of 8:54. So as always, we are going to trade the first market impulse, which is going to happen exactly at 9 a.m. when the stock market in Frankfurt is going to open. And this impulse has a strength power of approximately 7.5 to 15 points. So that's our aim for the first trade. So we are not going for the long run for 50, 100 points. The chance of getting that is very narrow, but we are looking for short impulses, for short movements here with our Swiss box strategy. So first step, as always, we are going to click on box lines on, and we do have our two pending orders. The sell pending order I'm going to place on the very bottom of that first hour range, which we are okay. You see the market is currently trading below that level, so which makes it a bit difficult for me to place pending order lines 5 minutes ahead of time. Nonetheless, I'm going to use this level, my risk size 0.2%, target 0.10, and I'm going to wait a couple more minutes to click on the entry button. So yeah, I'll be back once the market opening has happened. So, and I have activated the pending order lines. So the green one, buy pending order, the red one, sell pending order. Both are active, and we now just wait for the first market impulse, which is going to happen in approximately 4.5 minutes. So 9 a.m. the market has opened, 9 o'clock here in Germany, and we are selling. We see a yeah, still not triggered. So no clear direction of the market. And we are now in first trade, bullish candle, and here's our take profit, the blue line. And by the way, I'm using our new template. So we've created a couple new templates over the last weeks. Yeah, so we do have a new dashboard. We do have automatic trading signals. All very good stuff. Let me quickly change here through. So that's our dashboard. We do have some blue boxes, which we call here, based on algorithms. So you no longer need to to put your own Swiss box here into the chart and to wait whether the market impulse is going to come or not. So we'll have that automated for you. There will be a couple of webinars, mostly in German, unfortunately, over the next days to introduce you to that kind of trading. Okay, looks like a fake out. Change of trend so far, and we are in the middle of our box of the first hour of trading, so not much going on. So 6 minutes past 9, and we are looking here for a second push. Nice 1, 2, 3 formation. However, we do need to come over this level here. So additionally, we are seeing, oh, that's our push. Additionally, I was just mentioning that we are seeing a new orange box. So orange box, which is this area. It comes because I'm using my algorithm here in the chart as well. That tells me that, yeah, it's an additional confirmation for our trade to get us out here at our take profit first of all. But because of the orange box, which later becomes a blue box, don't be confused, sorry, our take profit is here at this level at 13,005 points. However, we are not trading an orange box, but only a blue box. So we have to wait until the price comes down a bit, and then this area will change from its orange color to blue color. So 15 minutes past 9 almost, still in the first trade. And again, we need a new high to get us towards our take profit line. The orange box has vanished. Now 2 more points to go, and we are looking at consecutive winning trade number 397. One more point to get us, and that's it. Okay. So winning trade 397, and 3 more trades to go for the magic 400 mark. Who would have thought that 2 years ago when we started recording our videos for the daily market opening trade. So very impressive stuff. I'm not aware of any other trader or any other live trading room where you have this kind of successive winning streak. And so we obviously do much more trades, or many more trades than just the market opening trade. So if you are keen to learn about this Swiss box trading or blue box trading, again, let me show the dashboard here one more time. Yeah, you're more than welcome to join our live trading room, which is in German language, but who knows, maybe in a month's time we'll have it in English. We are working on it. All right. So one more time, let me join the trades here for you. Just for the record, entry, exit. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Goodbye.